Welcome! In front of me I have Canon EOS 1300D, and today I'll show you how you can adjust auto power off option. So when we are here on the screen, we have to tap menu, then we have to use the AF button to go on the right, and as you can see here we got the auto power off option. So let's go here, and as you can see it's currently disabled, but we can set it up on the 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2, 4, 8 and the 15. For example, let's pick on the 30 seconds. And then just take a look, and then after this 30 seconds our camera will be turned off. And of course this option is very good if you want to save the battery on your device. And as you can see right now, the camera is turned off. So if you want to turn it on back, just click here and here it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.